In this video, we're going to learn how to add fonts to your PC. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, edtech on Demand. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add fonts to your PC. So as teachers and as students, a lot of times when we're creating, we want to use various styles of fonts to make our documents look unique, right? So there are several different websites that allow you to download fonts for personal use. The one we're looking at today is called Dafont.com. So let's take a look at the different options and let's check out how we can download the fonts and use them for our own personal use through either Google Docs or Microsoft Word or whatever platform you're creating your documents on. So you have various different categories such as fancy, foreign look, techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, dingbats, and then holidays. And then under each one of the categories, you have specific topics. For example, for holidays, you have Valentine's, Easter, Halloween, Christmas, and various. So as you can see, there are different topics under each one of these categories. So you basically have to either click around and decide what font style you like, or if you already kind of have an idea, click on the category and then skim through each one of the fonts. So for example, if I click on fancy, I can simply go through the fonts. I can scroll down and I can see if I like a font, then I can go ahead and download it and use it. So for example, let's say I like Morning Rainbow. If you look over here to the right, there's a download button and it tells you that it is free for personal use. So you're simply going to select download for the font that you want to download. And then I am going to save this to my desktop and click save. Now, once it's on your desktop, you will need to click on the zipped file folder, open it up, and you will see the file that you need to click on. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Morning Rainbow file. It shows you a preview of what the font looks like, and you're simply going to go up here and select install. And you're going to install the font to your PC. Next, I opened up a Microsoft Word document. If you're using Google products, there's a different way to download free fonts, but this should work on all Microsoft products. So I'm in Microsoft Word and I'm just going to type the word hello. Let me go ahead and increase the font so you guys can see. And I'm going to select this word and go up and change the font. Now the name of the font was Morning Rainbow, so I'm going to search Morning Rainbow, and as you can see, here it is right here on my list of fonts, and boom, just like that, I have downloaded the font to my computer, and now I can use it on my documents when I'm creating for students or when students are creating work for teachers. So again, Dafont.com has just about every font style that you can think of. So if you are looking for something unique to create documents with, check out the website. If you like this video, go ahead and support the channel, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.